To view your videos on your television, well, you need the two remotes. I have the television remote, then the cable remote, of course the camcorder, and then the wires necessary. So let's take the camcorder and the wires over to the television. I have an HDTV set, watching the NHL finals. Go to the side of the television. So you have three wires here, three different colors. So you have the white one, of course, goes into the white slot. The yellow into the yellow, and the red into the red. So all three go in. At the end of the cord, this goes into the side of the camcorder. Make sure you push it all the way in. So there's no room. Turn it on. But there'll be a black screen because it's plugged into the television. So go back to your remote controls. I pick up the cable remote, and you want video source. So hopefully you can zoom in on that. The video source button. You have different options. Right now we're on HDMI 1. What we want is AV2. So let's go up to AV2. So you make using these remotes. So I went up with this and automatically changed over. So as you see, so I hit the button for it. Here's the video. So with the camcorder in my hand, and if you look on it, it says 3 of 3. The left or right, basically the buttons to the left or to the right, you're moving it. So 1 of 3, 2 of 3, 3 of 3. If I want to view it, hit the red button, hit the play button. Right now I have the television on mute. So that was 3 of 3. If I want to see the second one, 2 of 3, just hit the button to the left, 2 of 3, hit the play button. And when you're all done, just hit the play button to stop it. Pull the cords out. Take it away from the camcorder. And to go back to normal, pick up your cable remote, video source button. So that brings you back to this stage. Pick up your TV remote, use the buttons up and down, and go up to, hopefully it'll come in, back to HDMI 1, and now you're back to television.